Hi, and thanks for joining. Tonight, for all of you Star Wars fans, we're going to be taking you around a house that on the outside may look like a normal vacation home, but when you step inside, you are transported to the Star Wars universe. So come on with us and let's go have a look. Right at the front door, Yoda welcomes you in, and as we walk in, look at this. Immediately, you are in the Star Wars universe. Check this out, we've got stormtroopers right here at the ready.
This house has 8 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, your own private pool, and a game room that will take you out of this world. Before we get to the bedrooms, let's check out the main living area. We'll start here in the kitchen. It has everything you need, including these fun little touches. We have a Stormtrooper Instapot. We have R2-D2 as a toaster. The Millennium Falcon, waffle iron, amazing, can't wait to have those for breakfast. We have another toaster with the Millennium Falcon. Of course, I like my coffee on the dark side too. And these awesome cookbooks. The living room has plenty of room for the family to kick back and relax. It has a big screen TV, an LED fireplace, and then check out these helmets from your favorite Star Wars characters. How cool are those?
And check out this dining area. Look at this ginormous star map. This is incredible. I love every bit of that. And we'll head right out here, out to the pool. There is a foosball table, tons of games, obviously a swimming pool, and a television over here. This is fantastic. So let's check out some of the bedrooms down on the lower floor. And right to my right is something pretty cool, but we're gonna save that for the last, at least on the bottom floor. And something else I wanna make note of, look at these switches. I mean, they're just like, that's so cool. I love everything about that. That's so awesome. So if we could go into the first room here, and this is designed, oh my God, look at this. This is just like the rooms in the Galactic Starcruiser. I mean, does this not just make you feel like you're on the Starcruiser or even like on a rebel base or something? Oh my gosh, this is incredible. So as you can see, this room also has its own bathroom, but we'll go ahead and exit the Galactic Starcruiser room and we will head into the game room. And this, oh man, this is the Millennium Falcon. Look at this. This is the seat where they sit down on the Millennium Falcon and they play the little chess game or whatever with the little holographic characters. So cool. It's got a basketball game. Here's the characters right here. That's amazing. And look at this, the world's largest Pac-Man. You've got a gaming setup right here. And then over here, kind of a little video arcade with just various arcade games. This is just fantastic. So just aside from all of the fun games you can play in here, just look at the attention to detail on this that makes you feel like you're in the Millennium Falcon. I mean, look at the door even. The door is just cool. And then check this out right here. Like, look at this, there's a little thing you can flip here. When you do that, it lights that up. And then there's a little button there, start engine. That's really cool. Well, I certainly don't want to, but we're gonna go ahead and leave the Millennium Falcon game room and head over to our next bedroom, which is right down this way. And as we enter through the door, this is, okay, I'm so excited for this. This is Rise of the Resistance. Look at this. This is just like when you walk out, first going into the ride, and there's the stormtrooper standing there. And then look at this. This looks like you are in space. This is just fantastic. And the Rise of the Resistance room has its own bathroom as well, complete with just a great sized tub, its own shower, and this door right here gives you direct access to the pool area. If you've noticed as we've been walking around this house, there is this sand crawler right here. Look at this, look at the treads down at the bottom, that's so cool. And right over here, you've got some Jawas with their eyes lighting up. But what's really cool about this is you can go in here and look at this. It's like a little playroom and all of these different buttons do different things. Look at this. This is so much fun. Now that we've seen everything on the bottom floor, let's head upstairs. But watch this as we take a step upstairs. Watch this. Look at this. That is so cool. It illuminates all the way as you go upstairs. And as you head up here, look at this. You're greeted by Han Solo, frozen in carbonite. We're gonna walk past poor frozen Han here and go into the first bedroom and look, check this out. You're on Endor. You are on Endor. Look at this. You've got Ewoks over here. Here's Wicket. Wicket's right over here. The bed is just like a tree hut bed. You feel like you're up in the trees with the Ewoks. This is magnificent. We'll leave Endor and we'll head over into the next room, and we have just entered space. Look at this planet. It's all lit up. And then look at this. It's a TIE fighter. It's a TIE fighter bed. And over here, right above the TV, there's the Millennium Falcon running away. But watch this. Check this out. Look at, they're shooting at the Millennium Falcon. That is so incredible. I love this room. The other thing I didn't mention in this room are the stars in the sky. That just gives it more that feeling that you're just flying through outer space in that TIE fighter. But let's head on through this door here, which opens up into a Jack and Jill bathroom and opens up right into, look at this. We are in Cloud City. Look at the clouds above, but then check this out. What? That is so awesome. I love that. We're gonna leave Cloud City and go through the Jack and Jill bathroom so that we can go to probably what is one of my favorite parts of this house. And look at this. This gives you that feeling that you are on a Star Cruiser. Look, here's Obi-Wan right here. And if we look at his lightsaber lights up, and then over here he's getting ready to duel with Darth Vader down there. Right over here. I mean, this is like you're on like a Star Cruiser of some sort, because here you're looking out the window. There's the Millennium Falcon right there. And then right over here is another shot of the Millennium Falcon, like, you know, it's flying away, which is very cool. But let's check out old Darth Vader here. And oh, look at that. Look at that. His lightsaber lights up. That's so cool. I personally love this because look at this. This looks like you could walk right down that hall. That looks just like that, but you're looking through kind of like a window. That is amazing. This is probably one of my favorite features of this entire house. Let's continue our tour of some of these themed bedrooms, and we'll go right here by Obi-Wan. And check this out. We have just landed on Tatooine. Look, there's Luke right over there, and here's all the huts in the sand that they live in, and oh man, you sleep on a landspeeder. How incredible is that? Let's leave the planet of Tatooine and we'll head right through here, going through a Jack and Jill bathroom, and look at this. We've just landed on planet Hoth. We've just come face to face with an AT-AT that you can sleep on. I love that. Here's the stormtroopers over here. Here's C-3PO. And we even have Luke and R2-D2. It's a little chilly here on Hoth, so let's head back through, out this way, and right over here where you can watch some TV, Jill's hanging out with Chewie, and right next to Darth Vader, we're gonna head through this bedroom, and oh my, this is an X-Wing fighter flying in space. Are you kidding me with this? This is, wow. Like, I don't even know what to say. Look at this. Look at how, and it even looks like they're, going into like hyperspace. Watch this, it's gonna light up again. Look at that. That's so awesome. You got the stars in the sky. It's just like you're in space. Wow. Even though I don't want to, we're gonna leave the X-Wing room just so we can show you the final room, which is pretty cool. We'll go right through here and check this out. So this obviously is a movie theater, but this is a very cool feature of this room. Watch this when I make noise. Look, when I'm talking, here, pew, pew, pew. Look at this. So when you're watching a movie, these lights light up all around you. That is absolutely incredible. So that's it. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this tour of this magnificently themed Star Wars vacation home.
We would like to thank Great Escape Villas for allowing us to come in here tonight and show you around. If you would like to stay in this out-of-this-world home, all the information will be in the description below.
Jill, you can't take Chewbacca home with you.
Why not?
Did I say Jill Baca?